Right, so I've just cracked that one out of the lick bank so that you've got something to keep you going over the weekend. Got family coming around, so I'm not going to be back for a little bit. Right, that's quite a tasty little bluesy thing, isn't it? The reason why I'm teaching you this mostly is to kind of teach you to learn to play around chords. If you had a little look at that, you'll see that mostly based around the A minor chord, sliding around on the blues. So that A minor all the way there. So what we're doing to start with is, with the baby finger, we're sliding on the B string from the 4th fret to the 3rd. So as I pull off there with a slight little quarter note bend there. Really quick, playing on from the A, on the G string, straight back to the D there, on the B string. Coming down the A chord. And then open G, 2. Classic bluesy bit there on the B string on the 1st fret, and then open on the A string, 3 on the A string, 2 on the G string, open. And then I'm doing exactly the same thing up on the 12th fret. It's always good to try and learn something in another position. To show you the first part of that. So you're on the 16, sliding down to 15, then on to 13 of the B string, and then 14 on the G string there. Coming down that A. Right, I'll see you once the family's gone. Take care, guys. Bye.